Hi, my name is Damien D. Rosario, period. I am the CEO of V2verify, period. I believe you're looking for an application to allow your employees in the field to enter data into a database without having to type, period. We are a company that specializes in voice technologies and authentication processes, period. As you can see from this video, our speech-to-text engine works great, period. I am confident we can help you succeed in your current endeavors, period. If you would like to contact me, please reach out to me through Peter with J. Ruffler, period. Thank you, period.